Okay, so today we're going to be showing you how to use Flitetest build plans. Some of their older plans especially were a little bit challenging to figure out. This is mainly for my younger brother, but maybe you find it helpful as well. So it's just a simple video showing how to put together all the pieces and use and reuse the plans. This is the FT Delta that I'm demonstrating it on. It works for any of the Flitetest plans. Ready? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off right here at the red dashed line on the right side of each piece of paper. Okay? So we're going to cut off this one, this one, this one. And then down here we're going to do the same thing. This one, and this one. After that's done, then we're going to cut off the top of the bottom layer of paper. So we'll tape all these together after we cut off one side of the dashed line, and then we're going to cut the top right here on this dashed line, okay, and put them all together. Let's do it. You can stop video. Okay, so now that we have cut off the right side of each piece of paper, what we're going to do is we're going to place the left piece of paper on top of the right piece, slide it back until we can just almost see the dashed line. We want to barely cover up the dashed line on that side, and we want to make sure to get it lined up height-wise as well, so that the actual lines on the plans line up as well. And tape it. Do that just like that for all the rest of the pieces. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut the top off of this bottom plan. You can see each side of paper is put together. Okay, so now that we have everything taped together on our build plans, we have one more step. We're going to cut out a square, just a little like 1 inch, 1.5 inch square in each major section on this paper, and we're going to put tape over that square onto our foam board. So just take your cutting mat and a sharp knife and literally just cut a square into each section, just like so. Doesn't have to be perfect, just you don't want to cut one on the lines or in a seam. Well, I guess you can even put it in a seam if you want. But the goal is to, after we set this plan on the foam board, is that it will just stick to it when we put tape on it. So we're going to put tape on each one of these holes after we set it on the foam board. And then you'll be all ready to cut everything out. And you can kind of figure out what works best for you as far as which lines to cut out best. I mean, first, what I found to work best is cut out the entire perimeter of it, then do all your small little cutouts like these, the pieces of foam that you're going to throw away in here, and then do your 50% score cuts. But one more thing, when you do your 50% score cuts, we can reuse these plans. It's a whole lot easier to reuse a plan than it is to build a new one. So go ahead and do your score cut right into the plan, but before you remove that piece of foam and before you remove the plan, just put a piece of tape back onto the plan. And then when you remove the plan from the foam, carefully cut the tape off of these squares that's holding it onto the foam, so that you can reuse the plan and you don't get a big rip in your foam. So that's pretty much it on using this plan.